due to some technical problems. Shall we continue? Okay. So valency for metal. Valency for metal. So metal always tendency to donate its outermost orbit electron and forming the positive charge. Metal always tendency to donate or lose the electron from its last orbit. So valency for metal is very simple. The number of electrons donated by the metal from its last orbit is the valency for metal. And generally metal having 1, 2 or 3 electron in its last orbit. Generally metal having 1, 2 and 3 electron in its last orbit. So the valency for metal is generally 1, 2 or 3. Take a look, have an example. Sodium having atomic number 11, its electronic configuration 2, 8, 1. So in the last orbit of sodium there is only 1 electron and sodium easily donate its 1 electron and forming the stable electronic configuration like inert gases. Okay, so the valency for sodium is valency for sodium is 1. Take another example. Aluminium having atomic number 13. Aluminium having atomic number 13. Its electronic configuration 283. Its electronic configuration 283. Okay. So how many electrons in the last orbit of aluminium? It's 3. It means that aluminium can donate 3 electrons. Aluminium can donate 3 electrons. So valency for aluminium is 3. So it is very simple. The valency for metal is nothing but the number of electrons donated by the metal from its last orbit is the valency for metal. Okay, now this is the first point. Second point, what is the valency for non-metal? What is the valency for non-metal? Have a look. Valency for non-metal. So before starting this topic, you have to know what is non-metal. It's very simple. What is non-metal? The atoms of the element which accept or gain the electron from neighboring atom. The atoms of the element which accept or gain the electron from neighboring atom and forming the negative charge anion is called non-metal. Non-metal किसे कहते हैं? It's very simple. जो एलिमेंट्स के एटम अपने पड़ोसी से इलेक्ट्रॉन लेते हैं और खुद निगेटिवली चार्ज आयन फॉर्म करते हैं, उसे हम कहेंगे नॉन मेटल. सो नॉन मेटल ऑलवेज टेंडेंसी टू गेन और एक्सेप्ट द इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम नेबरिंग एटम. इट मींस दैट the non-metal having tendency to gain the electrons, So valency for non-metal is very simple. The number of electrons gain or accept, accepted by the non-metals from neighboring atom is the valency for non-metal. जितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स नॉन-मेटल पड़ोसी से ले सकता है या उसने लिए है, उतने इलेक्ट्रॉन को हम उसकी वैलेंसी कहेंगे. क्या कहेंगे? उसके वैलेंसी कहेंगे. सो द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स gain or accept by the non-metal from the neighboring atom is called its valency. Okay, so probably how many electrons there in the non-metals? It's very simple. Non-metal having 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 electron in its last orbit. Okay, so non-metal generally have the 4, 5, 6, 7 or we can say that 8 electron in its last orbit. Okay, so take a look. Our example: carbon having the atomic number 6, its electronic configuration 2, 4. So carbon having 2 electron in its first orbit, which is completed, but second orbit having the 4 electrons, and still carbon required 4 more electrons to complete its second orbit. Okay, so how many electrons that the carbon require? 4. It means that valency for carbon, valency for carbon is 4. Is 4. Take another example, fluorine F9. Okay, fluorine. Okay, अब यहाँ पे देखो फ्लोरीन का एटॉमिक नंबर है 9, its electronic configuration 7. So how many electrons are there in the fluorine? 7. So it requires how many electrons to complete its octet? 1, and then it becomes the stable like nearest electronic inert gases like neon. तो ये नियॉन के जैसा स्टेबल हो जाएगा, उसको एक इलेक्ट्रॉन की आवश्यकता है, तो उसको एक की आवश्यकता है करके वैलेंसी फॉर फ्लोरीन इज 1. वैलेंसी फॉर फ्लोरीन इज 1. सो वेरी सिंपल. वैलेंसी फॉर मेटल, the number of electrons donated by the metal is the valency for metal. Generally metal having 1, 2 or 3 electron in its last orbit. So generally valency of metal is 1, 2 or 3. Okay, have an example. Sodium 11, its electronic configuration 281. In third orbit of sodium only 1 electron is there. It means that it can donate or lose 1 electron. So the valency for sodium is 1. Check another example. Aluminium is also a metal having atomic number 13. Its electronic configuration 283. It means it can donate 3 electron. So valency for aluminium is 3. Now turn towards the valency for non-metal. The valency for non-metal is nothing but the number of electrons gain or accept. The number of electrons gain or accept by the non-metal from the neighboring atom is known as its valency. Have a look. Take an example. C6, carbon having the atomic number 6. So its electronic configuration is 2, 4. Its electronic configuration 2, 4. That is, carbon having 4 electrons in their last orbit and still they required 4 to complete its octet. Okay, it means that carbon required 4 electron, hence their valency is 4. The valency is 4. Take another example, fluorine having atomic number 9. Okay, so its electronic configuration 2, 7. So 7 electrons in their last orbit. It required only 1 electron to complete its last orbit. It means that valency for non-metal, that is fluorine, is 1. Okay, so this is about valency for metal and valency for non-metal. These are the two important points which is very essential during the study of periodic classification of elements. Okay, ये चैप्टर पढ़ते समय ये दो डेफिनेशंस बहुत काम में आ जाएंगे, आपको ये अच्छे से लर्न करना है. ठीक है, अब जाएंगे हम व्हाट इज मेटालिक एंड नॉन मेटालिक कैरेक्टर्स. व्हाट इज मेटालिक एंड नॉन मेटालिक कैरेक्टर्स. तो मेटालिक कैरेक्टर्स मींस व्हाट? very simple. Metallic character is nothing but the tendency of a metal to donate the electron. The tendency of a metal to donate the electron from its last orbit is called electropositive character or also called metallic character. किसी भी मेटल की इलेक्ट्रॉन देने की जो क्षमता है, किसी भी मेटल की जो इलेक्ट्रॉन देने की टेंडेंसी है, उस टेंडेंसी को ही हम कहते हैं मेटालिक कैरेक्टर. क्या कहते हैं उसको हम? मेटालिक कैरेक्टर. उसको एक सेकंड वर्ड है इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव कैरेक्टर, एज दे फॉर्म्स द पॉजिटिव चार्ज आफ्टर डोनेटिंग द इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो द टेंडेंसी ऑफ अ मेटल टू डोनेट the electron from its last orbit, it's called the electropositive tendency or character, or it is also called the metallic character. Take a look, having example. So sodium, magnesium, and aluminium. These are the three metals. Sodium having atomic number 11, magnesium having atomic number 12, and aluminium having atomic number 13. Okay, so its electronic configuration 281, 282 and 283. Okay, so there is a one electron in the last orbit of sodium, two electrons in the last orbit of magnesium, and three in the aluminium. Okay, so now tell me which one is more electropositive among these three metals, among these only three. Okay, इन तीनों में से सबसे ज्यादा मेटालिक कौन है या सबसे ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव कौन है? So answer is that sodium, not aluminum, because sodium can donate one electrons easily from its last orbit, one electron from its last orbit easily, but aluminium not donate three electrons so easily because it binds with the certain force of attraction with the nucleus. So it is easy to donate one electron, but difficult to use the two electron or difficult to use the three electrons. As the number of electrons increases, the force of attraction between the electron and nucleus increases, and that's why nuclear force pull on the electron increases. Okay, nuclear pull or nuclear force increases on the electron as the number of electrons increases. It means that who is more electropositive or metallic? The sodium is more electropositive or metallic. How will you identify it? Those metal contain least number of electron. Those metal contain minimum number of electrons is more electropositive among the others or as compared to others. As compared to अब यहाँ पे तीनों में सबसे कम इलेक्ट्रॉन्स किसके पास है? सोडियम, और सबसे ज्यादा एल्यूमिनियम। तो सबसे ज्यादा मेटालिक कौन है? सोडियम, और सबसे कम मेटालिक यहाँ पे तीनों में कौन है? एल्यूमिनियम। सो दिस इज कॉल्ड मेटालिक कैरेक्टर। दिस इज कॉल्ड मेटालिक कैरेक्टर। मेटालिक कैरेक्टर किसे कहते हैं? वेरी सिंपल, the tendency of a metal to donate its outermost orbit electron, this tendency is called metallic character or electropositive character. Now turn towards the non-metallic character. Non-metallic character. Non-metallic character. Okay, it's very simple. Non-metallic character क्या है? देखो, non-metallic character means the tendency of a non-metal to gain or accept the electron. The tendency of a non-metal to gain or accept the electron from neighboring atom. This tendency is called non-metallic character, or it is also called electronegative character. It is also called electronegative character. Okay, let's have example, then we will clear this. For example, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Nitrogen having the atomic number 7, oxygen having the atomic number 8, and fluorine having the 9. So its electronic configuration 2, 5. This is 2, 6. This is 2, 7. So among these three non-metals, who is more electronegative? The answer is fluorine, because it required only one electron to complete its octet and become stable like a nearest inert gases like neon. So it requires one electron, so it can easily taken from the neighboring atom, but it requires 2 and it requires 3. So it is very difficult to take more and more electrons because it required more energy. So here the fluorine is more electronegative as compared to oxygen and nitrogen. Okay, so as those non-metal take fewer number of electrons are most electronegative as compared to other who take or who requires more. Okay, so non-metallic character means what? The tendency of non-metal to gain or accept the electron from neighboring atom. This tendency is called non-metallic character or it is also called electronegative character. Okay, समझ में आया? क्या सीखे हम आज के टॉपिक? आज का टॉपिक सीखे हम वैलेंसी फॉर मेटल, वैलेंसी फॉर नॉन मेटल, वैलेंसी फॉर मेटल, वैलेंसी फॉर नॉन मेटल, metallic character and metallic non-metallic character. So are you getting something from this topic? These are the basic concepts. These are the basic concept of the periodic classification of elements. Thank you very much.